Hey guys, today my husband is trying out the X2 knee massager, a wireless rechargeable device that combines hot and cold therapy with compression to possibly help with knee recovery and pain relief. Right out of the box, you get an easy to follow user manual, a convenient quick start guide to determine the best settings for specific concerns, a handy zippered travel case, great for keeping everything together, a fast charging adapter and cord, then, of course, the device itself with all necessary straps for easy wearing and adjustment. It has a lightweight, comfortable design, and the straps provide a secure fit around the knee. It's super easy to use, just one button to power it on, and then two setting buttons to customize treatment for your needs. What's really cool about this massager is that it offers both hot and cold therapy plus compression all in one device. Cold mode kicks in instantly, giving possible relief for soreness or swelling, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. Heat mode warms up quickly for relaxation and muscle recovery. Plus, there is a low heat setting if you just need a light warm-up to prepare for activity. Then there are two combination modes. Cold heat mode is great for everyday use to aid in recovery, while heat cold mode could be ideal after prolonged standing or sitting to provide relief from joint soreness. And you can also adjust the compression levels for a customized experience, which can be helpful in better circulation as well as muscle relaxation. My husband raved about this device and said it felt incredible. He was impressed by how quickly it reached the cooling state as well as the level of warmth it provides. It beats ice packs and warm compresses by leaps and bounds. We think this is going to be a great option for athletes, active individuals, or anyone with knee discomfort, whether from workouts, daily strain, or just needing extra support. And since it's cordless, it can be used anywhere, on the couch, at a desk, or even while traveling. Plus, it isn't limited to just the knee. It works on the thigh, both front and back, or on the calf, making it super versatile and great for a wide range of individuals and concerns. Overall, we've been really impressed with this device. It's effective, simple to use, and truly feels amazing. If you're looking for a convenient way to relieve soreness and improve recovery, this is definitely worth checking out.